Bonjour, c'est Shivani, your TEF TCF Canada expert coach. So today we will be looking at TEF Canada speaking section. Now, what is it? The TEF Canada exam includes a spoken dialogue section where you will be evaluated on your ability to communicate effectively in French. Here are some tips to help you prepare for this section. Now, what are the tips? The first, listen carefully to the instructions. Make sure you listen carefully to the instructions provided by the examiner before you begin the dialogue. This will help you understand the task and know what is expected out of you. Speak clearly and confidently. Speak clearly and confidently throughout the dialogue. This will help the examiner understand what you are saying and will show that you are comfortable speaking French. Then use appropriate language. Use appropriate language for the situation. For example, if you are discussing a formal topic, use formal language. And if you're discussing something informal, use more casual language, that is informal language. Then next is ask for clarification if needed. Now, this is something very important. Let's say if you do not understand any topic, you can ask the examiner about that question and you can clarify your doubts. If you're not sure what the examiner is asking, don't be afraid to ask for clarification. It's always better to ask for clarification than to give an incorrect answer. So just do not give any incorrect answer. You can ask and solve your query. The most important step is to practice. Now, practice speaking French as much as possible before the exam. This will help you feel more confident and comfortable speaking French during the dialogue. So you have to practice a lot of spoken French before the exam. Then use proper intonation. Use proper intonation when speaking. This means raising your voice at the end of a question and lowering your voice at the end of a statement. For example, when I'm asking a question, I would ask, "Comment vous appelez-vous?" Then I'm raising my voice. And if it is a statement, you have to start a statement and then you have to lower down your voice at the end of a phrase. Okay, now you have to be polite and respectful. Be polite and respectful throughout the dialogue. This will help you create a positive impression on the examiner and will also show that you're able to communicate effectively in French. So if you're polite and if you're respectful, then of course it will create an impression on that examiner who's taking your exam. Now, points to remember during the exam. Remember that the key to success in the spoken dialogue section is to stay calm, speak clearly, and communicate effectively. Now, these three are your shortcuts to succeed the exam. You have to be very normal, very calm. You have to be clear with your speech. And whenever you're communicating, you're delivering a dialogue, you have to communicate effectively. Now, with practice and preparation, you can, of course, excel in this section of the TEF Canada exam. So if you're looking for TEF prep coaching, you can join my course to succeed. I'm TEF TCF expert coach. My special course is A1, A2 for beginners, which is a fast track combo course. And of course, I'm a TEF TCF expert coach. I provide with all the exclusive material for the exam. And I have delved our preparation courses as well for all the levels. And of course, spoken French classes. So if you're willing to enroll, you can look at my Instagram handle, which is Shivani Jain French, or you can visit my website, that is www.shivanijain.com. Merci, au revoir et bonne continuation.